Hello there, thank you for servicing with us. If you're receiving this video, odds are your vehicle could greatly benefit from a differential fluid flush. Maintaining your vehicle's health goes beyond regular oil changes and tire rotations. One often overlooked aspect of vehicles' maintenance is the differential fluid flush. Understanding its importance can help you avoid costly repairs and keep your vehicle running smoothly. What is a differential fluid flush? Differential fluid, also known as differential oil, lubricates the differential, a critical component of your vehicle's drivetrain. The differential is what allows your wheels to rotate at different speeds, which is crucial for smooth handling, especially when turning. Without proper lubrication, the differential can suffer from excessive wear and tear. Why is a differential fluid flush necessary? It prevents overheating. Differential fluids help dissipate heat generated by the gears and bearings within the differential. Over time, this fluid can become contaminated with metal particles and other debris, reducing its effectiveness. A fluid flush ensures that the old, contaminated fluid is replaced with fresh, clean fluid, helping to prevent overheating and potential damage. Reduces wear and tear. Contaminated or degraded differential fluid can lead to increased friction and wear on the differential gears. Regular flushes help maintain optimal lubrication, reducing the risk of premature gear wear and extending the lifespan of the differential. Improves performance. Fresh differential fluid ensures that the gears operate smoothly and efficiently. This can result in better handling, quieter operation, and improved overall performance of your vehicle. And lastly, it prevents costly repairs. Neglecting differential maintenance can lead to significant issues such as gear grinding or complete differential failure. Regular flushes help to avoid these problems and can save you from expensive repair or replacement costs. When should you flush your differential fluid? For most vehicles, every 40 to 70,000 kilometers or every 2 to 6 years tends to make the most sense. However, if you are experiencing strange noises, difficulty in handling, or notice any fluid leaks, there may be significant benefits to doing a differential fluid flush prematurely. In conclusion, differential fluid flushes are a critical part of maintaining your vehicle's drivetrain health. Regularly flushing your differential fluid can prevent overheating, reduce wear and tear, improve vehicle performance, and help you avoid costly repairs. If you would like any more information or would like us to move forward with your fluid flush, please let us know and we'll get started on that right away for you. Thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon.